Today I'm going to teach you how to disable GPU hardware acceleration in Microsoft Teams. This can be really helpful if you're experiencing performance issues, screen flickering, or if Teams is consuming too much of your computer's resources. Let's start by accessing the graphics settings on your Windows computer. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and in the search bar that appears type Graphics Settings. This will bring up the Graphics Settings menu where you can control how different applications use your GPU. Once you see the Graphics Settings option in the search results, go ahead and click it. This will open the Graphics Performance Preference window, which is where we'll make the necessary adjustments to how Teams uses your graphics card. In the Graphics Settings window, you'll see a section labeled Choose an app to set preference. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Microsoft Store app. This option allows you to configure settings specifically for apps downloaded from the Microsoft Store, which includes Microsoft Teams if you have that version installed. Right below this selection, you'll notice another drop-down menu. Click on this second drop-down menu and scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Teams. Once you've located it, select it and then click the Add button. This action registers Teams in your graphics preferences list so you can customize its behavior. Now that Microsoft Teams has been added to your graphics settings, you'll see it appear in the list of applications. Click directly on the Microsoft Teams entry that now shows up. After clicking it, you'll see an Options button appear. Go ahead and click Options to access the graphics performance settings for Teams. A dialog box will pop up asking what do you prefer for graphics performance. This is where you'll make the crucial change. You'll see a few different options here, but for disabling GPU hardware acceleration, choose Power Saving. This setting forces Teams to use your integrated graphics or minimal GPU resources rather than your dedicated graphics card. Once you've selected Power Saving, click the Save button to apply these changes. For these changes to take effect, you'll need to restart Microsoft Teams. Quit the application completely, making sure it's not still running in the background or system tray, then open Microsoft Teams again. The application will now run with the new graphics settings, effectively disabling GPU hardware acceleration and potentially resolving any performance issues you were experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.